The Graduation Status Report, or GSR, is a document that outlines the courses and credits completed by a student, as well as the necessary credits needed in a specific subject area for graduation. It is available from the school's guidance counselor. The structure of the GSR follows the same format of the four-year planning document. These documents are reviewed in March and serve as a basis and fail-safe check for students in selecting courses for the following school year. A counselor will also create a GSR for new students in grades 10 through 12 who are enrolling in the school for the first time. In general, the document separates the courses into departments by the gray bands, and specific requirements for types of courses are listed in green bands. Language Arts. This example shows the student completed 5 semesters of language arts courses with good grades. The second semester is still in progress. Credits earned per year are listed in the Earn column for a total of 2.5 credits to date. 1.5 credits are still needed and is listed in red. The student is on track in language arts. Social Studies. The specific requirements for social studies are listed in the green bands. The student will need to take U.S. Government as a senior, so he or she needs to request this course. Second semester U.S. History is in progress, and once completed, will satisfy this section. World Regions was completed as a freshman, so the World Regions requirement is completed. This student is also taking AP European History, which will be considered part elective and part social studies credit. Overall, this section shows that 1 credit of social studies is required. Once this school year is completed, it will only be 0.5 credits is required, which is the U.S. Government in the senior year. Math. Algebra, geometry, and courses with a course code of 400 or above are listed on the GSR. If more Algebra 2 was completed or is in progress, it is listed in the Algebra band as an excess credit of the requirement, but will be counted as a required elective math credit. This report shows that the student took the Algebra 1 course in the middle school. The credits count in high school, but the grades will not be considered in the GPA calculation for the student. The student has completed the math requirements with the Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2 courses, even though it does not appear to be the case in the GSR, which states the student still needs 0.5 credits. The math analysis course will be considered elective credit. Science. The report shows that the biology requirement was completed. The second page shows the chemistry or physics requirement is currently being met with a chemistry course. This student took an earth and space science course as a freshman, which counts towards the 3rd science credit. Once chemistry is completed, the science requirement will be met. Although DoDEA requires only 3 credits of science, many colleges prefer 4. Foreign language. The report shows that the student has completed 2 credits of foreign language classes, but they must be in the same language. Therefore, this student will need to select Level 2 of either German or Spanish for their senior year. Career Technical Education. This student chose a JROTC path in the CTE department and fulfilled the 0.5 computer technology requirement by taking the word processing semester course. The student has an excess of 2 credits, which will count towards the elective requirement. Physical education. The report shows that the 3 semester courses were met. In addition, a semester credit was granted in lifetime sports since the student took 2 years of JROTC. This credit is granted as a P for pass and will count towards the credits requirement, in this case, towards elective credit. But a P is not factored into the student's GPA. A fine arts course has not been taken yet by this student, but the health class requirement has been met. Various elective courses are listed in the elective section, and credits for excess courses discussed from the above subject areas are listed in the excess total. The bottom section of the GSR shows units required for graduation, which is 26, total credits earned to date, in this case 19.5, and the number of credits still required, which is 6.5, as well as the cumulative GPA to date, which is 3.91. Well done.